Hello everyone, and welcome to the edX Professional Certificate, Six Sigma and Lean Quantitative Tools for Quality and Productivity. My name is Holly Ott, and I will be the instructor for this series. The Professional Certificate consists of 3 courses and covers the Six Sigma methodology and lean production up to the level of a green belt based on the American Society of Quality's certified Six Sigma Green Belt body of knowledge. In the next section, we're going to go over the course structure. But first, I'd like to welcome you to Munich. You probably know that Munich is located in the southern part of Germany. So here in Bavaria, here we are. And it's a very old and beautiful city. For example, you see here the famous Frauenkirche. But of course, if you're not interested in history, you might be interested in cars. We are the home of BMW, headquarters of BMW. And we have also a very, very well-known soccer team, Bayern München. And of course, every September, we welcome millions, literally millions of visitors to the Munich Oktoberfest. And here you can see the typical dirndl dress worn by the ladies during Oktoberfest. Munich's a very vibrant and multicultural city, and you may notice that my accent is not German. I'm actually from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but Munich is my home now, and Munich, of course, is home to the famous Technische Universität München, or in English, the Technical University of Munich, or TUM. Let me introduce you briefly to TUM. We are a technical university, or the original German term Technische Hochschule, founded in 1868 with a focus on technology and innovation. Now, if you've heard maybe of the famous German Mittelstand companies, these are sometimes called the hidden champions, then you're familiar with these small, medium enterprises, often family-owned enterprises, which produce very inconspicuous products which you have never heard of, which are exported worldwide. The Mittelstand companies are top in the world in their areas. For some examples, you can think of chemical products or specialty equipment, technical textiles, for example, specialty metals, automotive parts. And partly for this reason, Germany is a hub of technical innovation and places a very high value on technical education, supporting these Mittelstand. For example, at TUM, we have over 800 startups to date. We also have branches worldwide, and we have currently over about 40,000 students in 172 different programs. We have over 1,000 PhD theses every year, and we publish more than 7,000 publications per year. Now, our series, our professional certificate, comes from one of the departments in the TUM School of Management. And this is very young. The School of Management is very young compared to the 1868 founding of the university. The School of Management was founded in 2002 with the goal to be at the interface of management and science. And in fact, something interesting, if you're thinking of studying here, 30% of your courses at the School of Management must be in a technical area. And 70% will be your management courses. And the TUM School of Management has a mission to educate responsible talents and pursue relevant research to advance innovation-based businesses and societies in Germany, Europe, and in the world. And we do have internationally oriented degree programs. You can do your degree in English. And of course, we work closely also with executive education. School of Management structure, we have 5 academic departments: innovation and entrepreneurship, with a new building in Garching, north of Munich, finance and accounting, economics and policy, marketing strategy and leadership, and where we are, the operations and supply chain management. give us some stars there. There are, of course, significant third-party funding for our School of Management. We have a lot of collaborations with other universities and with industry. We have seen a very steep student growth. We have now close to 5,000 students and, of course, a number of very, very active research centers. So again, the Department of Operations and Supply Chain Management, where I work with Professor Martin Kuno's chair, Production and Supply Chain Management. We also have Professor Rainer Kolisch. We have Professor Stefan Minner, Professor Andreas Schulz, and Professor Horst Wildemann. And all of these professors focus on the analysis, modeling, and optimization of decision problems related to the design and operation of manufacturing and service systems. Just to introduce the certificate and Martin and myself briefly, the Six Sigma and Lean Quantitative Tools for Quality and Production was developed from TUM's fourth massive open online course, Quality Engineering and Management. And that original massive open online course was based on the face-to-face course that I teach every semester in Martin's group since 2012, and I still teach it now. It's key for quality managers to have strong managerial skills, but also a sound foundation in the basic statistics used in quality improvement programs. So we developed this Quality Engineering and Management course for our operations programs in the TUM School of Management in order to introduce our students to general quality concepts and to reinforce the statistical fundamentals behind modern quality programs. This series then is an expansion of the original course with a goal to cover the material up to a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt level. Martin is chair of the group Production and Supply Chain Management. I teach in his group and I'm professor of operations management at a new startup private university of applied sciences here in Munich called Hochschule der Bayerischen Wirtschaft. The professional certificate is endorsed by the company Infineon Technologies, which makes semiconductor devices for a wide variety of automotive and industrial applications and security applications. Our course covers the fundamentals of the Six Sigma methodology in lean production for quality and productivity improvement following the DMAIC process improvement cycle. So define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. And we also examine how the principles of lean production improve quality and productivity and enable organizational transformation. And the material is based on the American Society of Quality's body of knowledge for Lean and Six Sigma up to a Green Belt level. So the course is designed as a preparation for students who are interested in taking a Green Belt exam.